Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun fall video, I want to show you guys how to draw a bushel of apples. And hopefully this video helps you guys get into the fall season. Now, to start off with our bushel of apples, we want to make a line that's going to go straight across on our paper. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make this go straight across. You can make it however long you want to. I just want mine to be about that size. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add 2 lines that go down on each side and try to make them about the same length. Next, we want to connect this line so it becomes a rectangle. So we're just going to draw another straight line across, and we're going to connect these so we have a little rectangle shape. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that goes down. And as I draw it down, I'm actually kind of bringing it in just a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to draw it down, and I'm just coming in just a little bit so it doesn't go straight down. It kind of angles in. Then I'm just going to draw a line straight across at the bottom. But then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw another little line that goes across the bottom. And then right in here I'm going to put 2 more lines. So let's put a line right here that goes straight across, and then another one right here. Now what I want to do is I want to draw some lines that go down. So I'm going to draw some lines down. But if you look, as I draw them, I drew right to here, I jumped over it, and then drew one down here. So let me draw another one. I'm going to go down to this line, I jump over it, and then I keep going down here. Let's do that again. We're going to go down, jump over it, and then right to there. I'm going to put another one here, and then one more right here. And this helps it actually kind of look like it's a basket or like a bushel. Now, inside of here, I want to add some apples. And this is really easy. So what I'm going to do is I want to draw some pretty good sized circles in here. You don't want to make them too tiny or else it's going to look like you have a bunch of cherries in here. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make some good sized circles. I'm going to put one right there. Now, I want to put another one here. I'm going to make this one a little bit lower. So this one's not going to be quite as tall as my other one, but it's still pretty big. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw another one that's going to go almost all the way to here. So I'm going to start by adding another circle shape that's going to come all the way around here. I'm going to add another one up here. And I'll put one more right up here. Now, what I want to do is I want to add some little stems onto my apples. So to do this, I'm just going to make a little smiley face inside my apples. And I want to put these in different spots. I don't want them all going the same direction. So I'm just going to put some little smiley faces inside of my little apple circles. And you can put these up towards the top, towards the middle, however you want to do this. Then I'm also going to draw a little line right here just to make it look like that apple's in there a little bit more. Now, to draw the stem, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up. I'm going to make it go over, and then it's going to come right back down to where I started. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go up, over, and then right back down where I started. And you want to do this on top of each one of your little smiley faces that you made. I'm actually going to add another apple or 2 up here just to make it look like it's filled out a little bit more. Now, if you want to, you could always add some things like little leaves and stuff on here. I think I'm actually going to go and actually add one more apple down here, like it might have fallen out. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to kind of hide it behind our bushel. So I'm going to draw my little circle right here. I'm going to add that little smiley face. And then one more little stem. And there you go. There is your drawing of a bushel of apples. Now you can always color these things however you want to. You could make them all red apples. You could do red and green, red, green, yellow, however you guys want to do this. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.